still got to fix
You
that.
gotta put that screw both of them. Somebody volunteer to do that?
Wanting to know something about engineering, wanting to know, what was it going to be like, what were we going to do, just something to maybe get me interested into it, and I fell in love with it basically.
What are the highlights of being in robotics, the positives?
Well, the highlights of being in robotics, you get to meet with a bunch of different people all over.
For opportunities for advancement, and so we've been able to take teams to the state championship, to the regional championship, to the world championships. No doubt that they're bright and they're very motivated and they're very tech savvy. And because of this club, there are kids that, and it's not just in Mount Vernon, it's all over the place with this organization. They decide to go into engineering because of this program. A lot of kids do. It's an amazing amount of facets of this program.
Yeah.
And besides what you mentioned, one of the biggest parts to this program is the quality of their engineering notebook. And that's not something that is real easy. Fun and gracious professionalism, and it means you compete and you compete hard, but you do it in a way that everybody feels good about it. Everybody has fun, and so it's a lot of things. It's what sports would call sportsmanship. It's like that, except our teams don't hesitate to go over and help another team fix their programming or help them with their robot or give them parts or tools, and then they may turn around and beat you in the meet. But that is fine with this program.
Yeah, go about Vernon.
Come on, all y'all.
On the ramp. So that
or you need to maneuver the spot, get to the space.
yeah, but you don't want to wait till the last 30 seconds to start over it.
We want to be there.
You have to be there at 5 balls. At 45 seconds, let's try and be there, have the arm up, have it situated, and just be ready to drop.
Could you guys tell me how you got into robotics and how long you've been in here?
I got into robotics when I heard about FLL in middle school. I thought that was really cool, but when I heard about robotics in high school, I was like, whoa, these are actual robots, they're not made of Legos. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I got into it, and I'm still here. Having to put together a robot in 3 days once was pretty fun, and having it win nearly every match at the Mount Vernon competition last year.
Yeah, it's a lot of time.
It's stressful and fun.
Yeah.
As long as you have people you can work with, it's okay.
Do you give any tips, advice to people that want to go off robotics or are already in robotics?
Well, just kind of show up really as much as you can and learn as much as you can your freshman year. A lot of freshman year for people or their first year will be learning. And if someone joins their later years, they usually have to take everything head on. So learn through fire.
One of the big things in competitions is that sometimes things break in the middle and you have to fix them fast before your next match. So that's
The social aspect of this is not just what you think. We aren't just a bunch of nerds sitting around talking about how to build a bot. We do that a lot, but we will talk about what's going on in our lives or the new shows we watched. Yeah, that's pretty geeky too. But you get to see the other sides of people that you wouldn't necessarily see at school.